Hi, my name is Sulani and welcome to our product demonstrations. Today we are going to look at Boon range of bath toys, and we are especially going to have look at the links, pieces, dive, trace and trap. All these bath pieces are specially formulated not to absorb any water. So when your baby or toddler is playing in the bathtub, they do not absorb water. That will reduce the build up of mildew on them. So if you look at them, they are different shapes. So we are looking at the Lynx bath puzzles first. So this one got 11 pieces of formed shapes in it, and once they're in the bathtub, they will actually stick to the wall and they can make their own shapes by just clicking them together. So this is the Lynx bath puzzles. But as I mentioned, pieces and trace, trap and dive also got the same formulated bath puzzles. The difference between them is the shapes. So trace got more of a larger shapes like stars, triangles and ovals, and whereas trap got butterflies and more of animal shape pieces. So they all contain 10 pieces, and dive got shapes in the form of sea animals. With the Lynx, if you look at Lynx, the difference in Lynx and these three puzzle pieces is Lynx actually you can make shapes together, and pieces is a whole bath puzzle. So your baby can actually make the bath puzzle in the bathroom wall or in the bathtub. So as I mentioned before, they all stick to the wall of the bathroom or into the bathtub, and they do not absorb water, so they dry out really quickly. So you don't get mold build up in them, which is really good. And all these three packs contain 10 bath puzzle pieces, and with the bath puzzles as well, they got 10, except for Lynx that got 11 bath puzzle pieces. What I would recommend is get a combination of these packs, maybe a dive and a pieces, or a trap and a pieces, or trace and a pieces, or Lynx. So your baby have like a lot of shapes to play with while they're in the bathtub. And it is also good for their hand and eye coordination if they're building puzzles or building links with these bath pieces, as well as that will keep them entertained for a very long time. Hope you enjoyed this video demonstration, and we will see you in the next one.